Hello everyone, our today's tutorial is on be verb. Be verb is also called helping verb, sometimes auxiliary verb. Be verb we use sometimes main verb, sometimes as helping verb or auxiliary verb. Okay, let's start. First I want to say the list of be verb, that is am, is, are, was, were, be, been, been. End of this tutorial, I'm gonna put 10 demo questions for you. Answer all of this question. Before answering those questions, just pause this video and write your answer. After completing your answer, play this button and match your answer with my answer and comment what is your score. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos. Let's start. First of all, before using be verbs, I'm going to show you some universal subjects. These are universal subjects. That means in every sentence you'll find these subjects. That means here is he, that means a male name. Here is she, that means a female name. And here is it, that means any object's name. If you found any of these, use the same rules. Okay, let's start. After this subject, I'm going to use these be verbs. These be verbs, you have to remember which be verb is suitable after which subject. And you have to remember after this be verb, if you put principal verb or main verb, just add ing. That's simple. That means if any sentence is like I doing, that's wrong. Not I doing. You have to say I'm doing. That means you can't add ing with main verb after just subject. That means you have to put a be verb between subject and main verb. Then you can add an ing with the main verb. Like another sentence, we are learning English. In this sentence, we use are as be verb. In another sentence, that we can say they are playing. Remember, they are playing. That means here is a be verb. We can't say they're playing. We can say they playing, or we can say they coming. Just you have to say they are playing or they were playing according to your desired tense. Well, now I'm going to show you the list of be verb, that is am, is, are, was, were, be, been, been. In this list, I'm going to rearrange you according to tense. Like for present tense, we use am, is, and are. But in past tense, we use was and were. In future tense, we use be. But sometimes we use been for perfect. It's not only for present perfect, also past perfect and future perfect. But being, we sometimes use being to say something is loading, or something is being doing right now, or something is happening. We use being to express it. Okay, now I'm gonna say that what is the use of be verb. Like after subject, if we put be verb, then we have to add ing with principal verb or main verb. Like if I say I do, well, but if I want to say I am doing something, then I have to use ing after do. Like if you put am, like if you want to say something is going on, something is happening right now, then we have to say doing. So you can't say I doing. To add ing with do, you have to add am between I and do. Okay, now you can see here 10 demo questions. Now before finishing this countdown time, just pause this video and answer these questions. And play this video again and match your answer with my answer. I hope you will have some ideas. Then you can understand your position. Now comment below and tell me what is your progress. If you're 10 out of 10, that is awesome. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos. And don't forget to comment which tutorial you want to get. Hi, this is Afzal Hussain. You found me on YouTube, that awesome. But you know what? I'm also available on social media, AM to PM, 24/7. Find me on Facebook and Twitter, and Insta. I'll see you there.